How to copy files to a flash drive, thumb drive, or external hard drive on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login, and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, plug your drive in your computer. You can use any one of the drive, and once plugged in, it should pop up automatically on your screen showing the drive name. If it doesn't appear, you can click the Start menu and go to Documents and find in File Explorer, expand this PC to find your drive. Step 3 to follow is simply you have to find the files you want to copy and then you can easily access them from your desktop, documents, or pictures folders. After that, to copy files, you can simply drag them from the folder to your drive, or alternatively, what you can do is simply you can right click on any kind of folder or files that you want to send or copy to, and after that, you can click on Send to from this expanded menu. You have to choose the drive, and you can do this for multiple files by highlighting them, right-clicking, and sending them all at once. After you have done that, you can successfully copy your files or any kind of folders, documents to your flash drive or any of the drives. After that, you can easily eject your drive. Make sure to eject it safely. You can click the USB icon in the taskbar, and after that you can right click or select your flash drive, and after that click on eject flash drive. You have to wait for the notification, and that's it. Your files are now safely copied. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.